Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, locate an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now, if you never used this app before, select Continue. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up. Finally, you can select Browse at the bottom in the middle and click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!